Do you know that merely earning money isn't enough? You need to make your money work for you? If I told you we're about to unveil the secrets that make the rich richer, wouldn't you be intrigued? Watch this video till the end, because missing one bit of information could keep you far from success. Hello friends, I'm Imran Khan, and you are watching Vim Money Mindset. Today, we are starting the first phase of the Zero to Hero Finance series, Foundation. There was a time when I was also caught up in the rat race for money, but when I understood the basics of finance, my life changed. Do you also want to change your financial situation? Let's begin. This series is for those who want to improve their finances but aren't sure where to start. In today's video, we will discuss what is money really, the importance of saving and investing, principles of wealth that can change your life. Question: are you ready to acquire the knowledge that will lead you to financial freedom? If yes, watch this video till the end. Money is not just a piece of paper, it's a medium through which you can achieve your dreams. But have you ever thought about how inflation decreases the value of your money? For example, if today you can buy 10 samosas for 100 rupees, approximately $1.20, after 5 years, you might only get 7 samosas for the same amount. Why? Because inflation reduces the purchasing power of money over time. Interesting fact. Did you know that India's average inflation rate over the past 10 years has been around 6%? Saving is a good habit, but saving alone cannot beat inflation. Investing is the way to grow your money. Through investing, you can benefit from compound interest, which can multiply your wealth over time. Question: did you know that if you invest 5,000 rupees, approximately $60 every month at a 12% return, you could have around 5 million rupees, approximately $60,000 in 20 years? Now let's talk about the principles that will lead you to financial success. Spend less than you earn. This is the most basic but important principle. Save and invest regularly. Start with small amounts, but be consistent. Diversify. Spread your investments across different assets to minimize risk. Question: are you ready to adopt these principles in your life? If yes, start today. If you feel that this video has opened your eyes, write "I'm ready" in the comment box and share this video with friends who need it. Next time, we'll talk about learn budgeting, how to manage your monthly money. Stay connected with Vim Money Mindset, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, and today you have taken the first step. I am Imran Khan, and I will walk with you in this journey. See you in the next video. Until then, spend wisely and achieve your dreams.